Welcome to our channel. Today, Dr. Gynaecologist will share insights on how to have twin babies naturally. Twins can bring double joy to your family. While genetics play a key role in conceiving twins, certain factors and methods can increase the chances. Dr. Gynaecologist will discuss the role of diet, fertility treatments, and lifestyle in enhancing the probability of having twins. Stay tuned to learn expert tips and delve into the fascinating world of twin pregnancies. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider before making any decisions related to your fertility journey. Subscribe for more health and wellness tips from experts. Embarking on a journey to parenthood and hoping for twins? There are several factors that might influence your chances. Your family history plays a pivotal role, as genetics can determine the likelihood of conceiving twins. Age is another factor, with women over 30, especially those between 35 and 40, having higher chances of twin pregnancies. The number of previous pregnancies also impacts the probability, with chances increasing with each subsequent pregnancy. Nutrition and maintaining a healthy BMI are crucial, and certain dietary choices, like consuming dairy products, have been linked to higher occurrences of twins. Assisted reproductive techniques, such as IVF, also enhance the likelihood. Always consult a healthcare professional to explore safe and healthy paths towards your twin pregnancy journey. Subscribe and stay tuned for more insights on family planning and healthy pregnancies. Welcome back to our channel, where we delve deeper into understanding the factors that influence twin pregnancies. Family history can significantly impact your chances, with genetics playing a crucial role. Your age, particularly being over 30, and the number of previous pregnancies you've had can also influence the likelihood of having twins. Ensuring optimal nutrition and maintaining a balanced BMI are vital for fertility, while your dietary choices, especially consuming dairy, might boost your chances. Exploring assisted reproductive techniques like IVF can also be a pathway, but always ensure to consult a healthcare professional to navigate through these options safely. Join us as we explore these factors in detail, providing you with insightful information on your journey to parenthood. Don't forget to subscribe for more expert advice.
Welcome to our informative session where we explore various factors that could influence the likelihood of having twin pregnancies. Family history often plays a crucial role, as genetics can significantly impact your chances of conceiving twins. The number of previous pregnancies is also a notable factor, with the probability often increasing with each pregnancy. Paying attention to nutrition and maintaining a healthy BMI are pivotal for enhancing fertility. While making conscious dietary choices, such as incorporating dairy, might elevate your chances, assisted reproductive techniques, including IVF, can also be explored to increase the likelihood of twins. However, it is paramount to consult a healthcare professional to navigate through these options safely and effectively. Join us as we delve deeper into each factor, providing you with valuable insights on your journey towards parenthood. Subscribe for more expert advice and insights.
Welcome, viewers. Today we delve into understanding how family history can influence the likelihood of conceiving twins. Genetics play a pivotal role in determining the probability of having twins. If you have twins in your family, particularly on the maternal side, your chances of conceiving twins may be higher. Join us as we explore scientific insights and real-life experiences related to family history and twin pregnancies. Subscribe for more in-depth discussions on various factors affecting pregnancies. Hello, viewers. Today we explore the intriguing aspect of how the number of previous pregnancies influences the probability of conceiving twins. Studies indicate that women with multiple pregnancies may have an increased likelihood of having twins. The reasons can be multifaceted, involving factors such as enhanced fertility and hormonal changes. Join us as we delve into scientific research and anecdotal evidence, exploring the fascinating correlation between the number of pregnancies and the occurrence of twins. Subscribe to stay informed with more insights on pregnancy and fertility. Welcome back, dear viewers. Today, we delve into the vital role that nutrition and BMI play in fertility and the likelihood of conceiving twins. A balanced diet and maintaining a healthy body mass index (BMI) are pivotal for optimal fertility. Some studies suggest that women with a higher BMI may have an increased chance of having twins. Additionally, certain nutritional choices, such as consuming a diet rich in dairy, may also influence the probability. Join us as we explore the scientific and medical perspectives on how nutrition and BMI impact your journey towards conceiving twins. Subscribe for more enlightening discussions on fertility and pregnancy.